Today's my crosswalk experience right now in Skinner Boulevard and Broadway Avenue. You see that right there. Wait for it. Here we go. Oh. Which button's for the other one? Hold on. This is Skinner, so I'm gonna cross Skinner. Okay. Well, that's really good, I guess. So we're gonna push button to cross Skinner. That's where we're going. That one doesn't click though. So, yeah. So I have to wait until the traffic light turns red and it will start green again and the walk sign will be on. So I guess we're gonna wait for another hour or so. So yeah, we must wait. So. So I guess we're gonna wait until the crosswalk is gonna turn on. Oh, now it's yellow. So guys, I'm still here by myself in Skinner Boulevard right now. I'm not lying, I'm still here by myself. No, yeah, no one's with me. Sorry about that. So, yeah, I'm gonna wait. Now I can tell which button is exactly was activated. So this is actually Skinner Boulevard. I'm gonna hit this. So first I'm gonna wait till the walk sign will be on. It says watch for vehicles. So no one's with me. Right now. I'm by myself crossing the street here. But I know it's dangerous, I know. So the sign, don't cross, which means the red hand's on, which is right over here. And basically when it's time remaining, finish crossing, this timer on that crosswalk will say whatever number it is. And the red hand will be flashing, it says finish crossing if started. So you have to cross the street right away, like faster. You see I'm pushing its button. It will turn green and the walk sign will be on, which means that watch for vehicles. Oh, there you go. We're gonna watch for vehicles now. So 30 seconds. That's it.